Before time learned how to move, before space knew it could stretch, there were 10. They were not born. They awakened as thoughts within the void, each carrying a principle so fundamental that existence itself bent around them. This is the story of the true cosmic beings and the powers that shaped all things. The first awakening. Niveus, cosmic being of Metakinesis. Niveus emerged first, drifting through nothingness like a silent question. With Metakinesis, Niveus governed change itself, the ability to alter how any power behaved. Laws had not yet formed, but Niveus ensured they could. Energy learned to adapt, forces learned to evolve, and possibility learned to branch. Without Niveus, the universe would be rigid and brittle, unable to grow. The second awakening. Tempus, cosmic being of Cytokinesis. Tempus followed, carrying the rhythm of division and multiplication. Through Cytokinesis, Tempus allowed existence to separate and replicate. One became many. Motion learned sequence. Cause learned effect. Time itself gained direction, flowing forward because Tempus decreed that moments must divide from one another. Without Tempus, all things would collapse into a single unmoving instant. The third awakening. Nox, cosmic being of dimensional kinesis. From the deep shadows came Nox, who folded the void upon itself. With dimensional kinesis, Nox shaped height, depth, width, and the unseen spaces between. Realities layered like pages in an infinite book. Doors between worlds became possible. Without Nox, existence would flatten into a single, suffocating plane. The fourth awakening. Metakinesis, cosmic being of ferrokinesis. Metakinesis rose like a cosmic forge, drawing order from chaos. Through ferrokinesis, Metakinesis bound matter together. Metals, cores, gravity's anchor. Stars gained hearts. Planets gained bones. Without Metakinesis, the universe would scatter into dust, never able to hold itself together. The fifth awakening. Pero, cosmic being of pyrokinesis. Then came Pero, blazing and untamed. With pyrokinesis, Pero ignited transformation. Stars burned, fusion was born. Destruction became creation's twin. Without Pero, the cosmos would be cold and dark, filled with unlit potential and no spark to awaken it. The sixth awakening. Adakwo, cosmic being of calokinesis. Adakwo flowed gently after, cooling what burned too bright. Through calokinesis, Adakwo balanced heat and cold, allowing stability. Life found survivable worlds. Oceans formed instead of vapor. Without Adakwo, Pero's flames would consume everything. The seventh awakening. Solus, cosmic being of astrokinesis. Solus lifted their gaze and moved the heavens. With astrokinesis, Solus guided stars, galaxies, and cosmic alignment. Orbits were drawn with divine precision. Constellations became stories written across eternity. Without Solus, the cosmos would spiral into collision and ruin. The eighth awakening. Arya, cosmic being of ergokinesis. Arya sang energy into existence. Through ergokinesis, all power found flow, light, motion, force, vibration. Arya ensured energy could neither vanish nor stagnate. Without Arya, the universe would stall, frozen in lifeless stillness. The ninth awakening. Queen Kia, cosmic being of creation. Last among the architects came Kia, crowned not by force but by purpose. Where the others shaped rules, Kia gave meaning. With pure creation she wove life, consciousness, emotion, and choice. Stars were no longer just fire, they were cradles. Worlds were no longer stone, they were homes. Without Kia, the universe would exist but never live. The final presence. Kalfar, supreme cosmic being of omnikinesis. Above them all stood Kalfar. Not a ruler, but the balance itself. With omnikinesis, Kalfar held every power simultaneously, ensuring none overshadowed the rest. When chaos rose, Kalfar calmed it. When stagnation threatened, Kalfar allowed change. Without Kalfar, the 10 would tear reality apart through imbalance. The eternal truth, together, the 10 cosmic beings form the universe, not as a single act, but as an ongoing harmony. Remove one, and disaster follows. Change without time, fire without balance. Creation without structure, power without control. And so they endure, unseen but ever present, maintaining the fragile perfection of existence. The universe breathes because they remain, and should one ever fall, the cosmos itself would scream.